Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Jaguar XF. First of all, we go into our phone, put settings onto Bluetooth, and then we're watching out at the bottom. We see over here, tap to connect phone. Tap. Use your device to search for Jaguar XF. So we're just waiting for it to come up here. Jaguar XF. Click on Jaguar XF. Just thinking about it. Verify these numbers match the display on Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. 563694, 536694. Pair. Yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. And basically when you see that come up, you know it's connected. And there we go. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro connected. Easy as that.